these flower seeds that came from Menards, only 49 cents a pack. And hello gardening friends, today is February 20th, and I'm going to go through some of the seeds I have. Here is my raised beds out here, and so far I've gotten one bag of this raised bed soil, and I'm going to get a few more, probably 3 more, and just get them one at a time so we can buy them. And here is my vegetable seeds. Now, I got these all at Menards. They were 49 cents a package. So I'm going to plant these in raised beds. Last year I put these raised beds in and I filled them up with wood chips that I got for free from the city. You just have to go out and pick them up. Where they spread the trees up, they trim, and then drop them all in a certain place. So I'm going to leave about this much at the top of the beds and fill the rest up with these bags of soil as I can buy them. So far I got 3. I might do a few more, but it won't be in time for this year. And then over here I've got these seeds that I'm kind of starting in pots maybe. These are this is Lenten Rose. I got this on Amazon at Hellboris. I'll probably have to start that in the pot for sure, undercover. These are seeds I cut off of my hibiscus plant last year. Now here's the instructions for the Hellboris right here. So I'm going to follow those. And here's some seeds I got on Amazon that are outside fried. It's salvia, veronica, blue flax, baby tomato, sweet bell, more salvia, and more veronica. What it says, spiked speedwell for veronica. Originally, veronica was named after one of the pilgrims' ships, which was the Speedwell. That's where that name comes from. And also, okay, I got lots more seeds. These are all wildflower seeds that I've got in different places throughout the winter. I got these on Amazon. It's the pink primrose. And I'll probably start those out here in this area all along the side of the house. Last year I filled this area up with wood chips. So in order to plant these, I'm probably going to rake out a 4-foot wide path with aisles between all the way down the width of this area here. And here's wildflowers. I got it at Menards, I think, also. I got some that I got at Walmart, too. So, I guess I don't know which one I got first. I got these on Amazon. And it's Eden Brothers Wildflower Mix. Here's another one I got on Amazon. It's a Wildflowers Partial Shade. This I got 2 of these from Eden Brothers. Here's some more I got at Menards. It's a Wildflower Mix and a Wildflower Fragrant Mix. One time we went to California to visit my brother. He lives out there in Modesto, where they're getting all that rain now. And we also went to Alcatraz Island, which for a tourist visit. And they sold these seeds there. It's no longer a prison, but we got to look at it, what it was. And at the souvenir shop I bought these. And so I'm going to plant all these wildflower seeds here. My plan is to plant them in bare soil. I'm going to rake the beds clear. I know you're supposed to be able to just plant directly into the soil, but I think it's hard to break old habits. So I'll probably spade them up and then rake them smooth. At least these wildflowers here. And then also, this brush here, I'm carrying it out back and making a brush pile for the birds. Because birds love brush piles. Here is an overgrown honeysuckle bush. It's been here for 20 years probably. I planted it, I don't know, in the 80s or 90s. I don't know, I guess that's longer than 20 years, isn't it? Anyway, and it's been nothing but a nuisance. I almost cut it all down because it drops seedlings everywhere. Anyway, Julie talked me into not cutting it all the way down because the birds love it. Anyway, so I cut off all but one branch, which goes towards the bird feeder. And then in here, I'm going to put in some more potting soil and get rid of the pot shards. And here is the seeds I'm going to put here. These are all, here's three packages of moonflowers. I guess the moonflowers are put over there. And here, this is the ones I'm going to put here. I got these at Walmart, I'm pretty sure. Or Menards, I don't know. Anyway, so it's got 4 vine plants. So I'll plant them in here. And then they can, I'll help them grow up the honeysuckle bush here. And then over here for these 3, I guess I got 4 places, packages of moonflower seeds. I put 2 concrete blocks, 1 on each side, and I'm going to plant the moonflowers. I think I'll probably across the 6, 3 and 4, and fill these concrete blocks up with potting soil. And then just put a package of seeds in each one. These are nice and crowded, I guess. And then guide the seeds up the swing here. And then over here, all of these flower seeds that came from Menards, only 49 cents a pack. And it's actually quite a few duplicates. And we've got tons of these baskets, and we're cleaning up the house. I almost got rid of them. I've been living in this house since 1982, and I started collecting them. And then Julie and I were married in 1990, and so we've been both collecting them for years. And we were cleaning out things, and we decided we almost got rid of these. Why don't I put them out front, filled with potting soil, and put these seeds in them. We'll go all along this path here. There's a path on both sides of it, and there's a path from both sides of it. And so I'm going to put seeds, maybe some clay pots to just line the path with it. And then I'll probably have to put some bone meal on the top of the surface, because hopefully that will keep squirrels from messing around with it. Squirrels or rabbits, actually. And because in the past I've always had trouble with squirrels eating the seedlings and rabbits digging the soil, scattering the seeds everywhere. So that's what we'll do right here. All these baskets, and maybe a lot of clay pots. And then right here, got some old parts of bird bass right here. Now, so I'm going to put these together, and I got a fountain in the house. It didn't work when I got it because the thing was too deep. So I'm going to try it in here because it's really shallow. Because the problem is, because it's really shallow in here. But the problem with it was when I tried it in this bird bath, it is so deep that it was floating all over the place. So it didn't actually work. But in here, I think it's shallow enough so it won't float all over the place. And maybe the hummingbirds, they like a little bit of water. They don't like a deep water. So I've got this bird and butterfly garden, it's called. And I'll plant it around here. And this seed here, the grass, just grass, I had a bird feeder right here. I think that'd be a nice project for this year. Plant some seeds from the bird seed and see what's in it. Not here you can see what the seeds are. So what is that? That's not grass seed. That's bird seed. I think that's not. So when you get all this stuff underneath the bird feeder, that's what it is. But I'm going to learn my lesson. Never plant put a bird feeder in the flower bed because it makes too much of a mess to clean up. These here are snowdrops, Scilla, I think. Scilla. Crocuses. It's a yellow crocus. This is a purple one. So that's what I'm going to do with my seeds this year. I already put a bunch of crocuses I bought on Amazon here, and I bought them at the wrong time of the year. So rather than keeping them all through summer, I put them here, but the ground was frozen when I did it. So I couldn't get it level again. I think it's pretty warm today, 55 or something. So looks like I can just settle down with more weather. Yeah, that was what was wrong with planting crocuses in the soil when it's not thawed out. Crocus squirrels haven't been eaten by crocuses, I think they like bulbs and things like that. Although crocus is actually a corn, I think, not a bulb. So that's it for my seeds for this spring. So thank you very much for watching. And I hope you're able to subscribe and like this channel. And thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Bye.